Question 4 involves the varnishing of a front door. We've been given the shape, only the front needs to be varnished. So we need to work out the area of the front. We're told this is a semicircular piece of glass, so obviously no varnish is required here. So we've got to take this area away from the rectangular area of the complete door. Let's do that first. The area of the glass is a half multiplied by pi r squared, half the area of a circle, which in this case is equal to, given that r is 0.25, and if you work that out on a calculator, you get, remember, don't do any significant figures on this work. We need this to be as accurate as we can to take to the next stage. The area of the rectangle is simply 2 times 0.75, which is equal to 1.5, or the area of wood, which is equal to 1.5 minus 0.09817. And this turns out to be 1.4018. But he wants to do this with 2 coats. So 2 coats means we effectively double this area. And this turns into 2.8036 meters squared. So if 250 millilitres covers 4 meters squared, we've not got 4 meters squared, so you're expecting the answer to be less than 250. So the varnish required must equal 250, which is the full amount for 4 meters, multiplied by 2.8036 divided by 4. And this turns out to be 175.228 millilitres, and therefore is equal to 175 to the nearest milliliter. And that's your answer.